Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and Merry Christmas as we are in the holiday season now. Today, I'm gonna be doing a video walk around for you on this beautiful Tesla Model X and all of its insane features that this vehicle has. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can see the best feature of all, the Christmas song and dance. Now, one of the coolest features of the Tesla Model X is the easy entry doors, which you can see. And of course, just so you know I'm not cheating, once you get in, that door closes all by itself. So on the inside of the Model X, this is where the real special things are. And I think the first notable thing is this massive windshield that comes right over top of the driver and passenger when you're sat in it. And coolest is in the center infotainment, there's what's called an arcade and a toy box. And within this, you have a few different modes. You've got Santa mode, Mars mode, you've got a large sketch pad that allows you to draw different pictures and images, and then you can even send them off to Tesla yourself. Maybe they actually go to Elon's desk and he reviews them, who knows? You've got romance mode, which is the fireplace. You've got emissions testing, which is, I think, 6 different fart noises that you can just hit a button and this car will just let her rip like you're farting. Over in the arcade, you've got all kinds of cool games. You've got backgammon, chess, 2048, asteroids, there's a lunar lander, and I think one of the games here, where is it? One of them actually allows you to actually drive the car as if you are driving in the game, which is super cool. But I think the coolest feature of all in the toy box is the Model Christmas, which we'll show you right now.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
And the best part of the Tesla Model X, if you're a mob boss looking to do a kidnapping, this is almost the perfect car to fit a body in, the front trunk. Maybe someone a little smaller than me would be perfect for this. Or if you're not a mob boss, but you're a fan of someone like Ted Bundy, there's room for more than one body in the back of this thing. All right, so that is our Tesla Model X with some of my favorite features, including the Christmas song and dance. And I think you guys would agree that is Pretty cool. You'll never see another vehicle do that. So with that, this vehicle is also for sale. So I'll link that in the video description below. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, share it to some of your friends, send it to them that they would enjoy it this holiday season. Also check out some of our merchandise we have for sale. You can just scroll down below this video and you'll see all kinds of stuff for sale. So support the channel, buy some merch, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of our other videos up here that I think you'll really enjoy. Right here, you simply walk up and it doesn't work.
Okay.
Entry doors. So simply you walk up to the car and the door will not present itself again.
Wow.
I have no idea.